First impressions are formed in seconds. Whether you're meeting a client or colleague, the first 5 seconds are powerful. Here's how to own the moment. Number 1, fix your posture. Even before you speak, your body language is speaking for you. Keep your shoulders back, your chest and head up. Head and shoulders, you don't want to be too stiff. Just stay grounded and open. Confidence without arrogance. Number 2, eye contact and name. Make eye contact and provide a clear introduction. Hi, I'm Logan. Nice to meet you. After you say your name, you say their name back. Hi, I'm Logan. Nice to meet you. Sarah, great to meet you. This shows that you're present and personable. Number 3 is providing an appropriate greeting. Could be through a handshake, simple nod, a smile, or a verbal acknowledgement, calling the other person by their name. Here you can sort of read the room. If it is a little tense, maybe a simple nod or a handshake. If the room is pretty relaxed, verbal acknowledgement. Hey, how's it going? Little tip here is that if you are unsure, provide a smile and allow the other person to lead. And for in-person meetings, your handshake should be firm, but not too overbearing. Number 4, more so related to your dress, but you're making sure that your collar and tie are fixed appropriately. In the room, it's a quick glance down. Okay, my tie is center, my collar's down, I'm ready to go. Your tie should also be sitting at your belt line. So if you look down and your tie's a little high, you want to quickly go fix that because that is not a great look. And number 5, use a calm, clear voice. A calm tone helps you sound confident and trustworthy. You never get a second chance at a first impression. But if you master the first 5 seconds, guess what? You're not going to need one.